now we're actually getting snow in Texas. Actual snow in Texas for the New Year's Eve. Isn't that special?
This is what we do when it's snowing on the last day of the year. We go jump on the trampoline and throw snowballs. This is crazy.
Uh-oh. Faith lost a glove.
Not exactly what I was expecting in Texas this time of year. At a rest stop here. And it's snowy. Brittany over there braving it.
Supposed to be?
What?
What is that?
You know what?
That's not a snowman.
Yes! Do it! Go on, get it!
Wow. It's still coming down.
Yeah. Oh, it's heavy. Here it's
Yes, Lord, hold me close. Oh, it's so pretty. Hold me close.
Huge snowflakes.
In the wind eyes.
Oh my gosh. Coming straight down too. Oh, let them all go.
There's poop out there.
Yeah, don't step in the poop.
Right about there.
It's probably frozen by now, but
Seriously, right about there.
So I wanted to let everybody see this because it's not that often here in Texas we get to enjoy this stuff, but tonight we do. So for my friends in different parts of the country and stuff like that, where you get to see snow all the time, I want you to understand what a special thing this is for us here tonight. God bless everybody. Have an awesome New Year's and New Year's Eve, and have a great 2021.
Look, everybody, it's snowing in De Leon, Texas. We're getting some of the white stuff, but maybe by tomorrow it'll be gone. Just wanted to say hello and Happy New Year to everyone. Be safe. Love y'all. Bye.
Ooh. Fresh powder, baby.
They're on I-10, not too so far out of Kerrville, Texas. And it's a cold, frozen morning heading to El Paso. Somebody built a little snowman here.
Hi, I'm just out here right outside of Big Spring, Texas, and you can see it is really coming down. The snow and wind are just blowing out here. There are winter weather warnings right now saying that there's road crews trying to put some of the de-icer and stuff on the roads. They are pretty slick. You can see right here.
Crazy. Look at it. Snowing. What?